I'm Macy McKinnon.
And I'm Linnea Meneses.
And we are thrilled to share with you some amazing news. This year, the UW-Platteville Foundation has hit a record-breaking milestone in fundraising. Over $9.3 million.
Thanks to the incredible generosity of our alumni, friends, and supporters, we've been able to provide more scholarships, improve our facilities, and enhance the overall student experience here at UW-Platteville.
This record-breaking achievement means more opportunities for students like us to pursue our dreams and to make a positive impact on our communities and beyond.
Your support is making a real difference. It's helping us pioneer new discoveries, excel in athletics, and give back to our community. Together, we're building a brighter future for all pioneers.
On behalf of all UW-Platteville students, thank you for believing in us and investing in our future. Let's keep the momentum going and continue to show the world what it means to be a pioneer. Thank you, and go Pioneers!